Hi, this is Andy Doctor. Today, I am going to show you how to replace the internal light of a XC90 to LED. You see, it's a lot brighter. I did one side. I did not do the other side. Just want to let you see the difference. There are a total of something like 16, 17 lights. I already replaced most of them, but this is the one that I have left. So let me show you. Basically, they're all the same. So if you know how to do this, you pretty much know how to do the other one. Just be careful. You want to open it up. And by the way, this tool is included from the kit. So let's use the one that they come with. So you basically want to be careful, but pry the cover out. Okay, so it come out and it fly away, and that's okay. I'm gonna turn the light off on this side actually. First thing first, make sure you don't use your hand to grab the light. Don't ask me how I know that, but just because of that fact, I hope you can like this video, or even better, subscribe to my channel. I can tell you it is super hard, so you need a tool. So just get a tool like this and grab onto it and pull it out. Okay, so that's we get one, and then we just get the light out and twist the light back in. It's that simple. So this is the LED light. We're going to press it right in and we're going to test it. No, not that one, this one. Okay, it works. So now there is another one out there. Just remove the old one out and put the new one in the same way. After you take both sides, just put the cover back on. Let's put it back on. And let's turn it on. Turn it on. Yep, it's good. Both sides have LED and bright. So this is the kit that I got. It has a total of 17 lights and it's good for Volvo XC90. I already installed all of them. You even have a tool, and you see the empty box and the light that I took out. Really easy and convenient. I got it from AliExpress for about $10. You can get some similar one from Amazon for about 20. So it really depends on where you want to get them. I will give you a link in the description to both locations. AliExpress, of course, will have a slower shipping, and if you ever need to return it, it's of course more difficult. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope this is helpful for you. If so, I hope that you can like this video, or even better, subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.